الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullah. In previous session we talked about the wudu, and today and in this episode we continue our discussion about other rules of wudu and wudu Jabirah. First of all, during the mass, when we want to do mass, sometimes I cannot do mass by this hand because of some problem, for example. It's okay. I do mass by the health hand. Okay? Another point, I cannot get help from the others for wudu. For example, someone come and pour water in my hand and in my face. No. It's not valid. I cannot get help from the others. Another important point during the wudu that we should observe is if performing wudu must be regular. For example, we start by washing hand. We told washing hand is mustahab. After that, my face. After that, right hand. After that, left hand. Then masah on my head, mass in the right foot and the left foot. These are must be regular without any time gap. We should observe this important point. Wudu Jabirah. What does it mean, Jabirah? Jabirah, sometimes when a person has wound, cut, burn, or broken limb, we use ointment. We use, for example, bandage, plaster, or a splint, or something else. We name these as a Jabirah. Ointment, plaster, or any bandage, its name is Jabirah. How we perform wudu in this case? Very easy, very easy. When we have a Jabirah, we told, what is the Jabirah? Any bandage, ointment, and so forth. If it's possible, first we remove that bandage and we normally make a wudu. If it's not possible and it's harmful, in this case we start wudu by, for example, in this part we have a Jabirah or bandage. We start washing face, right hand, then it's time for the left hand. At first we wash the free part. Then we reach the Jabirah or bandage. Only I touch and rub my wet hand on that Jabirah. After that we continue wudu and we wash the health part and free part and continue wudu. Maybe you say, bandage must not be wetness, and being wetness is harmful for us. Bandage must be, for example, dry. If it's harmful, even rubbing the bandage is harmful, very easy. I use, for example, a plastic bag on the bandage, and after that I rub my wet hand on that plastic bag. Very easy. You know, during the Jabirah, and sometimes I cover whole my head and whole my feet. If I covered whole my head or whole my feet by bandage, in this case, I do wudu, then I rub my wet hand on that bandage. After that, I should do tayammum. Beside wudu, I should do tayammum. Why? Because whole part bandaged. Because whole my feet bandage and has a bandage and covered by bandage. Because of this, I should, after wudu, we should do tayammum. Inshallah, in next episode, we will continue another rules of the wudu Jabirah and some other important points. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.